If you're getting the too many requests error message when logging in Zenless Zone Zero, now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, first what you need to try is resetting your network settings. Now, I'll show you all the methods, whether you're on PC, console, or mobile. Now, on PC, you can press Windows+I, select here on Network and Internet. Now, scroll down, select Advanced Network Settings, then select Network Reset. Now, click here, Reset Now. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. After reset now, your PC should ask you to restart, so make sure to restart your PC. Then after restarting your PC, try to log in to Zenless Zone Zero and check if the problem is fixed. If you're on a mobile device, make sure to try to restart your device, or if you're on console, maybe try to restart your router, then try to check if the problem is resolved. Now, if you're still experiencing the same issue, connect to a VPN. Simply download and install Cloudflare VPN. I'll put the link on the description of this YouTube video, or you can go to this website here. Now, download Cloudflare for your device. If you're using iPhone, maybe download it for App Store, Google Play Store for Android or Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Now, after downloading Cloudflare, make sure to install it on your device. Then after it has been installed, if you're on PC, click here on the system tray, you should see the Cloudflare icon. Select it and then make sure to toggle on the switch. Wait for a few seconds and then it's writing here connected. Now, once it's connected and then it says here your internet is private. Now try to log in while you're connected to Cloudflare VPN and check if the problem is fixed. If you're still experiencing the same issue, too many requests, now try this. Switch to a different network temporarily. You can use a mobile hotspot or connect to another Wi-Fi network and it will work. So you can try to switch to a different network temporarily. If you're using a mobile phone, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you can try to use your mobile data. If you're on PC, you can use a mobile hotspot or connect to another Wi-Fi network and it will work. Still failing, try this. Try logging using another method. For example, most people found that when they try to log in using their Google account, the issue was resolved. So try login using another method, like for example, Google. If it all fails, then don't panic. It usually happens in every Hoyo game. Apparently, this is a security thing that Hoyo does. What you can do is wait like 1 to 2 days and it usually works out. So if you follow all the instructions but you're still experiencing too many requests, then you'll have to wait like 1 to 2 days and it will usually solve by itself.